Hello, I'm Dave from EtherTek Circuits. This is an introduction to the RMS-100 remote monitoring board. We are going to get familiar with the basic components and features of the RMS-100. First though, a few quick facts. The RMS-100 has a 400 MHz ARM processor. It has 64 megs of SD RAM and 256 megs of flash RAM. 150 megs of the flash RAM is set aside for your own custom applications. The RMS-100 runs the Linux operating system and is fully booted in 30 seconds. You get all the system utilities like ping, FTP, and traceroute at your fingertips. Programming languages such as PHP, Perl, Bash, and Python are included. The RMS-100 is viewed and controlled by a web interface. And the RMS-100 uses only 1.2 watts of power and accepts a wide range of input voltage. Now, on to the components of the board. The first part that I would like to point out is this green pluggable connector. This is the power input. It accepts from 10 to 60 volts of DC power. To the right of the power input is the on-off switch. And these are two USB ports. They are used for accessories such as additional voltmeters, relays, or an external temperature sensor. This is the 400 MHz ARM processor chip. Over here on the right, we have the serial console port, which gives you direct shell access. This is an Ethernet RJ45 jack. This bank of pins here are the general purpose input-output. They are used for interfacing to your own custom projects. These pins are the alarm inputs. Typically, you would hook them up to door contacts or window contacts. They can also be used for solar panel theft prevention as an example, or pretty much anything that you would want to hook an alarm up to. These three orange pluggable connectors are the 24-bit isolated voltmeters. These are what allow the RMS board to read voltages from whatever you have wired into these. They can accept voltage from -100 to +100 volts DC. Back over here on the left, we have power relays 1 and 2. These power relays are capable of switching up to 5 amps of DC power. This terminal block is used to terminate the wires for the power relays. The last two parts that I would like to point out are behind the power input. This little chip here is the onboard temperature sensor, and this is a standard 2 amp automotive fuse for easy replacement. That concludes the introduction to the RMS-100 remote monitoring board. For more information, check out remotemonitoringsystems.ca.